Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we have a combo of the Virtuoso with the Espresso, both by Baratza. Basically, this is a scale for the Virtuoso with a timer, which is really cool. And it wasn't grinding fine enough, and also it broke the upper burr. So we ended up replacing it. And now we're gonna test it together. One of the complaints was that it's not fine enough, so I'm just gonna talk about that quickly. So now we're pretty close to 0. We're at 5, which is really fine. It's for espresso. Just gonna use the grinder. This particular grinder, it can grind fine, but I wouldn't recommend putting all that stress onto the motor. Usually I know this one being used for like more of a pour over or like coarser grounds, but it can grind for espresso. Here we go, let's look inside here, and then I can, let's just see. You see all these fine grounds. Then let's just do this. I'm going to show you a little trick I learned. So if I'll take the grounds, if they're fine enough, and I'll just like close my hand and I'll open it, you'll see it become like into like one chunk of coffee, and this means that the grounds are fine. If we had loose grounds or coarser grounds, it would definitely won't hold its shape. So I'll just take it, my hand, I close my fist, and it's holding its position. That's how you know if your grounds are fine. I'm just gonna move this back to about 15. I also recommend, if you go finer, always do that while the grinder is working. You can always go coarser while it's off, but definitely if you go finer, you want it, the bird's gonna be spinning or gonna be clear. Either way, to prevent it from something like that happening, or where it's putting a lot of stress on the upper bird. Alright, so thank you for watching, and thank you for appearing with Kanen Coffee. Please comment below if you have any questions. We'll be more than happy to help. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps us a lot. Thanks again.